Guten Morgen. Mr. Maestro, or simple, or simple, English. It's April 12, 2024, yeah? And if he can believe it, it's a Friday once again. 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 Eating Nichols. Eating. Totally clear. Totally clear. Yes, at the moment it's kind of here in general. And this is also it's really often, yes, really often practically we are going to moon and a half, 78, 85 and 26 Celsius, and this means that this is really soft, and as for the winter, which we use always the adjective cold, this is a classic adjective since persuade the words as perhaps I think boring was not boring which my videos. Suppose in that I'm sure at the various things it's also that for speaking and also for the other videos I use always the adjectives of classic adjectives also since the first word the words I use also always the adjective soft also a classic adjective, and so as regard the English interest for me always nothing was absolutely complimented. You understand being as a spring bee at this point, this is the geyser normal, nothing of particular, nothing of special. This is the geyser normal, and as regard the atmosphere, and I say these things also for like that, and nothing else, nothing to end with the play as you it also the atmosphere. In fact, it's very beautiful, and it seems, and in fact maybe there's another things on this. It's a Friday once again, and as you know, first of all, as every Friday, I share about this fantastic electric red and white reason, that are the reason, non the story, my other reports, and in general, this is the 40 channel, and the rest of is what I report to the Vinci. Since the channel, it also considered a kind of a bridge between Megabar the channels, because you know, music is not solo present also this reason I chip very great. Being a really afternoon, I think the temperature of this, I repeat as I just before, 70, 85 and 26 Celsius. But the really important thing was to speak at the 30 just before today, yeah. Beautiful. Those kind of things are also near Romania, and there is a great until now, and the consegna quindi se ne dice una and a half, così è molto stupido from now for I think 7 hours in comparison poi nelle cose sono a completely different schedule. Well, su Seniso quindi quello quindi di nuovo senza un bando stati tu pratica in support mania and senza mania and alpha and most alpha and also these beautiful benches and also these beautiful better benches at our television in center in the chat. Uscita di Mattesimo in seguente si spiega tutto su internet nella avuto un pieno si spiega attraverso il spazio e bilancio di cortenza su traducciato e infatti non mi ricordo che GX 614 APG 625 Ma che sei molto vivo, c'erano le persone che si neanche delle tue, non sono una brava nazista, passo una schiesa, fai la maglietta greca, questo. Today, in Syria, yes, compared to this in Syria, all important that was found from the record reaction system in 1973. It was a Saudi, in fact, on the breakfast defended. I started with yes. I started with yes. I started with that 15 so they I with healer and we and it's just running on the alpha. But the important thing is that you should always remember is that in some way also today partono nel ci sono meridiani e we will see breakfast i giorni sono most things left in the world absolutely Tomorrow